Hey guys, Ralph in here, and today I'm at the Utah Avenue for a crossing in Butte, Montana. By the way, what I'm gonna do here, I didn't, do the Wyoming Street Road crossing. The reason why is because, Wyoming Street is the exact same as Maryland Street, so that's why I didn't do it. I'm probably not going to do Arizona Avenue, which actually does have a difference, sort of, since on the top there it actually has a Western Cullen Hayes electronic bell. Anyways, the first signal here, we have a Harmon base, Harmon cantilever. Then you have the lights, which are Harmon 12 by 24 inch lights, which are on a light extender. Yeah, the emergency information, dot numbers 842-5459H. And yeah, the overhead lights, the cantilever lights, are more Harmon 12 by 24 inch lights. Yeah. And the bell on this signal, is a Safe Tram type 2 electronic bell. That was facing towards Wyoming that street and Maryland Street, and down there facing toward, and a few feet away from us, that's Arizona Avenue, which I'm not going to do that, but the only change is the bell, which is a Western Cullen Hayes electronic bell, but won't do that. It's just that I'm only that string seems similar. I'm not gonna cross the street. It seems too busy. Over there's a relay case. The cantilever is a Harmon cantilever with Harmon 12 by 24 inch lights. With and also Harmon 12 by 24 inch lights for the cantilever, for the cantilever part. There's the relay case over there, just over there. Can't see what milepost it says, but it looks, to me from here, it looks like 0.0. But I don't know. That's just what it looks like to me. I don't have good eyes. And the bell on that signal over there has a Safe Tram Type 2 electronic bell as well. So, yeah, that was the Utah Avenue Ferro crossing in Butte, Montana. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you down the line.